Hi guys, it's been a while from I produced a video, but today's is a great one, especially this time of year in Ireland as it's getting colder. This is a firm family favourite, French Onion Shepherd's Pie. Now we're going to start with a pan on a low heat, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of rapeseed oil, 50 grams of Irish butter. We'll let this melt, and to that we're going to add 4 large onions that have been finely sliced. I've used a mixture of white and red onions, season with salt and pepper, and set onto a low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now while the onions are sautéing in a separate pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of rapeseed oil and 400 grams of lamb mince. And we're going to sauté that until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. Now back to the onions, and to these we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of muscovado sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. Mix in well and continue to cook still on a low heat. Now that the mince is browned, we're going to remove it from the pan and set it to the side. To the same pan now add 2 large carrots that have been diced, 2 diced celery sticks, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 heaped teaspoonful of plain flour, 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoonfuls of tomato puree. Now cook these off for about 2 minutes, just until the flour is cooked. Return the mince to the pan and add 200 ml of white wine and cook for another 2 minutes. Now don't forget about the onions, by now they should be looking caramelized. And back to the mince I'm adding 300 ml of chicken stock. I'm going to season with salt and pepper, then add the onions and simmer for another 20 minutes. Next to the pan I'm adding 1 kilogram of peeled potatoes. I'm going to cover and cook these for 20 minutes until they're soft. When the lamb mixture is thickened, remove from the pan and place into an oven-proof dish. Drain the cooked potatoes and add 50 grams of salted butter, 4 tablespoonfuls of fresh milk, and mash until smooth. Now add 50 grams of mature cheddar cheese and mix well. Spread the mixture on top of the mince and smooth down. Place the pie into an oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 6. We're going to cook for 30 to 35 minutes until bubbling and golden brown. Now this can be served with baby peas, mixed vegetables, or just on its own. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit this like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch for further videos. And as always, enjoy your time in the kitchen.